Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through how to apply a work visa to Botswana. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply a visa to a country, any kind of visa, first of all, you need to check that based on your nationality, purpose, and duration, do you really need a visa or not? And if you find out that you do indeed need a visa, then you need to check the requirements as per the mission, consulate, or embassy that is covering your region. For example, let's say you are an Indian citizen living in New Delhi and you want to work in Botswana. So in front of you, I have opened this High Commission of the Republic of Botswana, New Delhi, India. If you go to consular services, they have like visa requirements. Click here. So this is the visa application and we'll go through it. And this office opens from 9 to 12 on Tuesday and Thursday. Only 2 days a week. Wow. What are the things you need? Fully completed this form. Certified copy of passport showing validity not at the less than 6 months. Okay. Two recent color photograph on white background. Specification they have given. Covering letter, flight itinerary and accommodation book. Okay. All copies submitted must be certified notified. In addition, there are special requirements. Okay, yeah. So for employment, here you go. First of all, fee is nothing free. So good for you. For individuals who travel to Usman for purpose of employment, okay. So waiver from department labor, this you need to obtain before. Employment contract or confirmation letter of employment. These are for other things are for volunteer workers, but these two are for employment. So this you need to take. Fee is free, okay. And wow. Wow, 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 wow. There's a difference. Here it says the visa office opens 9 to 12 on Tuesday and Thursday. But here say from Monday to Friday, maybe uh, like I think it's better to go on Tuesday or Thursday because that's the intersection. Fine. Or you can contact them and find out when you can visit. They will not accept cash, demand draft checks, okay, in favor of this. Okay. Fine, but for going for employment, don't worry about that. But you can call and confirm. So now we'll open the form. I have downloaded it. So just stay with me. Okay, so this is the form. Photo here. This is for official use. Name in full. First name, middle name, age, date of birth. You can fill it on your own because it's in Word. Country of birth. This is very simple. Nationality. Type of visa requested. So we'll go employment. Address where you'll be staying. Country of domicile. Fine. Occupation classification. Length of stay. Reasons. Okay. See. Okay. Now there's additional requirement. Maybe that's covered in certificate of employment that we saw before. Employee the firm or person acting on behalf of us. Okay. Fine. Requested validated visa. Reference. Which money cash will be at your disposal during the visit. Okay. Passport documents. Information. Perfect. Date signed. Okay. So fine. So now we know how to do this submission and all we have already seen demand draft we have already seen and it's in blank ink only. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.